In travel news for September 23rd, 2022, there's a surge in cruise bookings. Crystal Cruises hints when and where they will sail, and we talk about both Hong Kong and Barbados. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights, which will help you to travel like an adept traveler, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We frequently release new content to keep you up to date on all things travel. Early this year, we witnessed the sudden collapse of the once highly rated Crystal Cruises. This caught pretty much everyone in the industry, as well as those traveling on the cruise line, by surprise. In the months following, the company has completely liquidated to settle unpaid debts. Abercrombie and Kent, the luxury tour company, purchased the Crystal Cruise brand and a couple of ships with the intent to resurrect the brand. Now, it's looking like Crystal Cruises will launch their inaugural season in the summer of 2023. Currently, the company is looking at Northern Europe and the Mediterranean. The fleet is made up of the Crystal Serenity and the Crystal Symphony. Both ships are currently undergoing renovations in Italy. Abercrombie and Kent offers amazing tours. Over here at the Adept Traveler, we are looking forward to see what they will do with the new Crystal Cruises. If you are thinking about booking a cruise, you should do so sooner rather than later. Many cruise lines have been dropping pandemic-related policies, which have led to a surge in bookings. Royal Caribbean Group, which owns Royal Caribbean International, Celebrity Cruises, and Silversea Cruises, said in a recent SEC filing that the volume of bookings made after the company relaxed pandemic protocols increased to a level beyond where they were in 2019. The company went on to say that 2023 is booked within historic ranges at much higher rates. This means two things for those wanting to take a cruise. Inventory is rapidly decreasing and prices are increasing. By booking soon, you can lock in your reservation with a decent rate. Overshadowed by Japan's announcement to return to their pre-pandemic border policies, a number of countries have also updated their pandemic protocols. Starting today, September 23rd, those traveling to Barbados will no longer be required to test pre-arrival. And face masks are no longer required outside of healthcare settings and on public transportation. Starting on September 26th, those traveling to Hong Kong will no longer be required to quarantine on arrival. The policy change will now require travelers to self-monitor for 3 days on arrival. There are still many pandemic requirements still in place in Hong Kong. If you plan to visit, I would recommend reaching out to your travel advisor for more information. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends. Increased